think I have some in the back of the truck. A lot of comments on my TikTok in regards to this, on how I do my outlets, and you know, people said they backstab, they don't splice, and again, that's perfectly fine. Everybody, you know, can do what they want as long as it's in the, you know, within the code. One guy said it looks like crap, and that's okay. You're gonna have that. I think he might eventually want to change these to ones with USBs in them too. But at least right now, I'll have the outlets.